Chili peppers for aches and pains. This active ingredient in chili peppers has a long history of usage in traditional medicine, and has gradually gained acceptance outside of homeopathy. Capsaicin is now widely used as a topical pain reliever. It works by heating up a specific portion of the skin before going numb. Today, you may purchase a prescription capsaicin patch called Qutenza, which works by utilizing a very high quantity of capsaicin, 8% trusted source dash. So, if you have some hot peppers or cayenne pepper on hand and you have painful muscles or widespread body ache that won't go away, what do? Make yourself some capsaicin cream. Capsaicin coconut oil cream made at home. 1. Combine 3 tablespoons cayenne powder and 1 cup coconut in a mixing bowl. 2. Warm the oil over a low heat until it melts. 3. For 5 minutes, thoroughly stir the mixture. 4. Remove from heat and transfer to a bowl. Allow it to firm up. 5. After it has cooled, massage it into your skin. Whip your coconut oil with a hand mixer to make it light and fluffy for an extra fancy look. Before using the substance frequently, it is critical to test your reaction to it. You may also use jalapeno peppers, however the heat level will vary depending on the pepper. Never apply this cream to your face or eyes, and always wear gloves when applying it.